my hopes and dreams inside. Visions lurk behind my eyes. Something new behind it grows. And you smile as my heart knows to be another still with you. I'm the one that loved you through, but I'm still nothing next to you. I'm still nothing next to you. What I've seen and where I've been was breaking out, breaking in. Who I love and I despise, melting into compromise. How I've changed and how I've learned, becoming less, becoming more. But I'm still nothing next to you. I'm still nothing without you. It's not my battle alone, the center of my every song. The beauty of my voice that fades to a spiritual cascade, flowing from your perfect smile. I've avoided all the while, but I'm still nothing next to you. I'm still nothing next to you. Now all the future seems unclear, never moving, never near. But you hold me as I stray, wake me from my wicked dream. Something out there waits for me, hand in hand we wait for it. Well, I'm still nothing next to you. I'm still nothing without you. No, I'm still nothing without you. And the wonder of it all is I'm still standing. And the wonder of it all is we're still standing. Never planned it, and I wonder where I'll be next year. Will you stand right next to me? Will you hold me faithfully? Should I question all these things? What makes me so deserving? Something that